Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video we are discussing Master of Tourism and Management course, and this is MTTM2 course code, and we have discussed previously the 5 questions and we are starting from the 6th one. And before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all the solutions at your WhatsApp in just 1 minute. If you need answers, so this is a paid service, and if you need answer of this code and other scores too, and we are provide all other courses of if you need any other help, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number which is showing on your screen, 900 936 8238. So we provide all the solutions at 1 minute. Now the question number 6 is the defined task analysis is describe its various steps, and what is the job description and how it is useful, what are the points to consider while designing a job description. And the 8th one is define HRD and discuss the role and importance of HRD in the service sector. Substantiate your answer with suitable examples from tourism and hospitality industry. And 9th one is what are the various tasks of the HRD department in an organization, what qualities make for a successful HRD staff and manager. And question number 10 is write notes on the following in about 300 words each: performance appraisal and career planning. So that you can see here, there are the total 5 questions are from question number 6 to 10. So if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number which is showing on the screen. Kindly note this number in the future also. So if you need any other helps related to any type of education help, so you can contact us. We provide all the solutions related to study. Thank you so much for watching.